In this video, I'll be showing you how to connect laptop to phone Wi-Fi hotspot. But anyways, getting into it, it's very easy to go ahead and do this. And you can do it on Windows 10 or Windows 11. It doesn't matter what you're using. So let's say your home internet is out or anything like that. So you want to go ahead and use your hotspot for your PC or your laptop. All you want to go ahead and do is just go over to this little drop down arrow, and then you're going to see a lot of different options, but you should see a Wi-Fi symbol. If you don't, it might just be over here as well. So once you go ahead and click on it, just wait for those settings to load, and then go, and you're going to see Wi-Fi right here. So go ahead and press this arrow, make sure of course Wi-Fi is on, and then you just want to look for the hotspot name. In my instance, mine's going to be an iPhone, so I'm just going to wait for it to show up. Of course, just make sure that, it's actually enabled on whatever phone you're using, and make sure it's in close proximity to your device. But then once it's on, you should see it over here, and then all you want to do is connect to it as normal. Make sure you put the right Wi-Fi password for whatever you're trying to go on, and then that's it. You'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.